I'm in this bitch with 100 girls, looking like they from another world. Now they big man, now you broke and your bitch mad. What you gonna do when it change too heavy? It's a workout. Brain in the Chevy, do the burst out. Tell that bitch to lose my number. Ice everywhere, I'm a cool motherfucker.
Yeah, been getting lit, okay. It been like this all day. See why they tired, don't get no K. Eating good, this big buffet. Feel like a coach and I been cocaine. Young nigga ballin', I been like Trey. I hit you shorty, that made my day. I get a swag, I up my rent. And I got me a stash, but I don't know when. I need an opinion, it didn't depend. Why they talking my name if I didn't attend? Asking them questions and feel like the fans. Live for the risk, I been on the edge. Came with a treat, she came with a leg. Nigga, you chatting, talking like Ted. We didn't care about what you said.
I'm in this bitch with 100 girls, looking like they from another world. Now they big man, now you broke and your bitch mad.
What did you do, man? They're trying to find a spot to park. We're crying right now. It's sad. City's crazy tonight. Man's really came all the way down here. But eat at a 5-star restaurant, all you can eat. I hope you guys are ready for that one. City's crazy tonight, man. Saturday night, we're living good, we're living blessed. We're about to link up with all mans, but without further ado, we're crying. So yeah, what did the YouTube? You see me? Here's my fit, got the tech fleece, you know, the Montclair, the Yeezys. We not wasting no time. We're kind of late right now. Time is running out. We're late for our reservation. Yo, what man's got to say? Absolutely nothing. Like, man's got to say nothing.
Bro, we're late. We can't talk. Let's go.
Oh, we're not supposed to be talking. We're supposed to be making our way to the restaurant. Let's go ahead and not waste no time. He's crying. Let's go ahead and get it. Oh. Yo, this is sad. Yo, we are so late for our dinner reservation, but hey, you know what they say, better late than never. But let me know what you guys have been thinking of the uploads lately. I've been trying to be more consistent. 2020, 2024, you know what I mean? We just going crazy. Fam, where are we going right now? We're in a subway station. I'm supposed to get a 5-star, you know, dinner right now, and I'm just walking around like a bong. Like, come on, man. We're in the mall now. We're in the mall. Yo, man said we're in the mall.
Wait, isn't it in the inside?
Nah. Oh, it's not? Dundas Square. So, but go out the H&M entrance.
Okay.
Yeah. Yo, this guy Swiby is taking us on a detour.
Just draw like 20 on some Louis. Spend about 300 on my jewelry. Ooh, yeah. So much water on me, I'ma need a buoy. High sister throw it back like a goddamn coochie. Yeah. New Ferrari.
Okay, now man takes it off. Sturdy, looking good.
Okay, not swing style.
Okay.
Just damn near touching his eye.
Yo.
No, sometimes man's get blessed.
Started first.
No, we're having a braid off, like.
Yo. Extensions.
Oh, bro, you can't buy it.
Nah, extensions is crazy.
Fabio Foreign style.
Okay.
Coupe, yeah, it's matte black. Right. Bitch, give me some hair like a top hat. Whoa. Flooded out the AP with a time at. Bitch, a whole fit.
Yeah, right here.
I like popcorn.
Yo, Raph is excited. First time. Yo, man, that's not like sushi. He's never even tried sushi. We're about to try it right now. Let's go ahead and get into it. Hey. What are you saying? You're good? You're good? That beanie's tough though. Beanie's tough with the hoodie. Yeah. You're back though. You're back. You're back. Yo, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Birthday. Not rude. Let me know. Yeah. Nah, let me know. Yeah. Nah, craziest restaurant, fam. Men's are getting greedy. Men's are ordering, and they're just taking.
You know I'm eating air right now.
Okay.
Look at Rome scooping the plate. Oh, wow.
Hey.
What is that?
Squirrel? Key! It's a squirrel! Hey.
Put the flash on.
Yo!
Hey. 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
You know?
Yeah?
Yeah. Cardio, man. We just took some nice pics. You know, I like LA flicks.
Yeah.
Now we're about to go out on this freaking non-working escalator. You know.
What do you think of the dinner?
Dinner was amazing, man. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah, you guys gonna see all the clips in our fit.
Yeah.
As is all stuff, right?
All stuff. Oh my god. I'm falling, I'm slipping. Oh my gosh. We're about to go see what other business we can get to in the city. Are you ready?
Oh, we're ready.
We're not wasting no time. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Let's go ahead and get it.
Racks, yeah. Racks. So much money, I'm still eating up for last year. Ooh, winter only come up picky froze. Picky froze. Mixed bitch like I love my two-tone.
So just let me introduce oh yes, ladies. I'm really big shit. 69, I'm a Humpty Nose will tickle you.
Free Jordan in the back there. Free.
250 on the die, so they probably miss me, huh? How can you catch up to me? You in a 6B, huh? Trust me, you ain't gotta worry about no taxi. Wide body Hellcat with the red key. Off the Honda Civic, baby, get the Bentley. Before we ever fuck, used to call you my bestie.
So yeah, you seen that. This guy's doing backflips. This guy's doing cartwheels. We're in the city. We're gonna go see what other shenanigans we can get into, what other shenanigans we can do. We're all mans right now, yeah. Yo, what are you saying, yo? I know you're crying. We had sushi. What do you think of the sushi restaurant?
$40? Shit hurt.
What'd you eat?
Tacos way more. And they had less variety.
What do you got to say?
Yeah, you gotta say about that.
On camera too. This is getting heated.
Alright?
Cut the video, bro.
Where's Neo?
He's the one. What's your buddy went with you?
Yo!
Of course.
Yo! Oh, Blue's Clues! Oh, nah.
Pay with this for 15 days.
Now checks are off. Yo.
We got told.
This is getting rigged. Every car is getting a blue ticket. This is getting frigged, man. Raph cannot find his car. We're walking around like headless donkeys. Yo. Nah, this is getting frigged, man. I'm scared. He's scared. He's scared. Oh my God. Every car is getting a ticket. Please, you guys see that, man? I'm not even making this up. I'm not doing no photoshopping. No photoshopping is going on right now.
Look at this one. Look at next one.
Okay,
Right
a next one.
next one.
Okay. This guy's lost his car. Like, this is a rude way to end the night, man. A rude way.
Let's just please all take a moment of silence in the elevator.
Oh.
Moment of silence.
Dead homies.
No, but real life, bro, buy this. Their ticket was 45.
Yeah.
And like what? There's 3 of them. Might as well pay for the GO trip.
No, it was 4 of them.
Yeah, 4 of them. So they each owe $11.25.
Yeah.
Scot free? Yeah, you have to pay. Yeah, but no ticket though. Hey, 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 hey. This guy's happy. Yo, this guy's happy. Yo, gritty.
I say right foot creep, ooh, walking with that heater.
Yo. Alright, so you see me, pretty sturdy day. We're gonna be finishing it off, wrapping it up right now. So without further ado, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And let me know what you guys thought of today's video. If you guys enjoy when I link up with all mans, let me know in the comments section. Let me know what other videos you'd like me to post. And without further ado, I will see you guys in the next one. Let's go ahead and get into it. Yeah.
Look, you know how I'm coming, it ain't tricking. If you got it, you could use my budget. And I promise I won't finish until you start coming. You could use my budget.
Show us that yellow ticket, bro.
Nah, it's actually nothing.
Not a singular thing.
Wash and break.
Okay. You're 53 hours.
Been getting lit, okay. It been like this all day. See why they tired, don't get no okay. Eating good, this big buffet. Feel like a coach and I been cocaine. Young nigga.